sharing. Hold on. I'm talking. You stand with me. You stand with me, okay? For a minute. It's been an incredible year for Cindy and I, and we really appreciate everybody sharing that with us and just enjoying the evening. Before everyone gets drunk, that's kind of why we want to do this. And those of you that are drunk, before you fall down, we figured we would have the award ceremony here. So congratulations. I just want to say thank you to Cindy for putting all this together. And, Cindy, I got you a little something for tonight because of all the work you did. Okay? Wow. I did. And they're right, no strippers. Sorry.
It's the right uniform, though.
Right. And not just because tonight, but I thought tonight would be a good night to celebrate something else and to celebrate us.
What is it?
I love you more than anything in this world. And I want to spend the rest of my life showing you. Will you marry me?
God, I hope you don't need to know because I'm going to cry.
I've already started crying.
The answer will be yes.
Was that a yes? Okay.
I need to hear it firm. We need to communicate here. Okay.